Right at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a new 240 Dorado from Scout Boats. Give you a little spec information on the boat first. The boat is 23 foot 8 inch overall, has a beam of 8 foot 6 inch, and a fuel capacity of 100 gallons. Starting here on the transom, you see this boat is equipped with the white V8 Mercury 300 Dorado. Great engine, great application for this boat as well. Boat has SeaDeck on the swim platform, and as you see, it's a walk-around platform you can access from both sides. The swim ladder is recessed into the deck, so it's not a trip hazard. Really nice feature. As we step up into the cockpit, we've got a stern seat that folds down, and also over on the port side, another seat. So when you're fishing, you can close all that up. You've got a big open cockpit with scuppers and live well, rod holders. You're ready to fish. Moving forward, you've got a midship seat here, slide out cooler, wet bar area. Over here again on the port side, nice table for when you want to have lunch or snacks. This boat is equipped with the Grigio gray interior, really great look, with the hardtop assembly above. Over at the helm, you've got Garmin chart plotter, trim tabs with LED indicators. You also can control all the lights through a remote. Over on the port side, you have a pump out head and sink as well. Over on the starboard side, you have great storage under the helm. In the bow area, you've got a great deep-seated bow seat, so you feel safe down in the boat. Recessed speakers. And this boat is also equipped with a windlass and then rod holders that double as cup holders. Well, again, I'm John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any boat in inventory. Give us a call, 910-256-8100. Check us out on Facebook, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.